found an old nuts and bolts bin. I bought like 2 of these years ago, and the other one's empty. Why I kept this so long, no idea. But this one is literally like really good quality. I think I kept it because it's like usually they come in cheap cases, these things. So what I'm going to do with this is take this apart over here. I'll show you what I'm doing here. I'm taking these bags of rib nuts from my rib nutter, and I'm putting them in here. Let's see if this works. Does it work? I'm basically going to write like, what is this? M6, M5, M8. So I'll put M8 in here. Dump all those ones up. In there. These would be M6. I didn't open those yet. M5. M5. Put those in there. I do have to buy more of these because clearly I only have a few that came with it. This one I'll put in the M6 container. There's probably enough space in here to put a good couple hundred in here. So that I'm happy. I'll just grind all these things. This is a 1024, so we'll put, let's see, this is 10 quarter-inch. This one is 5/16. We'll just put in any one. And 1/4 dash 20. 10 dash 24. This one's 5/16. 16ths. Number 18. There we go. So now I'll put 10 24 in here. I probably shouldn't have put them right next to the electric ones. I only have a few of these, and I need at least 8 or 10 of each. And I can't find the knobs, so 5/16, number 8. Like, I'd probably say this now, eat my words, but I don't think I'm going to use one this big. But, you never know. I know these things, I've seen rib nuts on vending machines. I've had several old vending machines, and they come with all of them. So now, the reason why I did this is because it allows me to close this thing properly. The rib nut thing, so that's why sometimes saving these old things works. So now I just gotta go M8, M5, where's M6? I screwed it up already. This is M6. M5, 5/16, 18, 5/16 dash 18, 1024, and this one is what? 1/4 20, 1/4 dash 20. So when I get more, I'll just put them in the box. Just reuse the whole box here. It's a really good, like, it's probably made better in these blow-form boxes, but that's cool. It works. It's out of my way and done. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me how you like my videos.